real tech stuff.
Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. So I come here with another video. So a lot of my friends used to ask me this question: oh, how can I get the status or pictures that I view on people's status when I have the simple WhatsApp? They call it simple WhatsApp, but what they mean is WhatsApp Messenger. Yeah, so here is an easy way that everyone should know. So before we go any further, I would ask you to subscribe and like this video. Hope you enjoy it. So this is the way. You just go and find your file manager. For me, it's called files. Files. You press here in files. Then what you will have to do, you will have to go to internal storage. I mean the storage of your phone, not of the memory card, the storage of your phone. That's where you will find all the photos or the videos that you want. And before you go look for them, make sure you view them on their status. Yeah, not that you have to view them before you go and look for them. So where you pass, or where you the way to do this is internal storage. Then you look for WhatsApp Messenger folder. As you can see here, we don't have any WhatsApp folder. So for some file managers, you will find them here in Android Media. Then you scroll down and you find it here, com.whatsapp, this one. And this one is WhatsApp Business, as you can see. So you will just go back. We need WhatsApp Messenger. Then you enter media. So we don't see anything. The reason why we're not seeing anything is because we didn't activate the option of showing hidden files. So we just go back and hit here on the three dots, the right corner. We don't have any option of showing hidden files. We just go back. For some file managers, you can find them here, and for these or some like this of mine, you will just find it here. You see here, 3 lines, left corner, and settings. So if you scroll down, you will see here, show hidden files. You activate this, then you go back and you just do the same process. Internal storage. You see, as you can see, we have two files now that are hidden. So a file or a folder to be hidden, it will have to start with the adult. You see, like these alarms and share it, they start with dots. Yeah, even here, down here, you see these files, they start with dots. See? Yeah, we can just delete this. Undeletable, really. Okay, let's forget about it. Okay, it's okay. So we just go Android Media. We look for WhatsApp. We see com.whatsapp. We press here. We press on WhatsApp. Then media again. If we press media, we will see our status. They just talk themselves here in our phones, and most of the time we will be asking for them. Ask people their pictures, whereby we can get them without even asking them. Yeah. So now that you know, you will no longer be asking people. I think this works with Android devices. I don't know a lot about iPhones, but on Android devices, this is the perfect thing to do when you want someone else's picture or video. Make sure you watch it, then come to your phone. If you like it, get it. You can either copy it or move it from this folder, like here. Yeah, status. If we open, we see these are the pictures of people who posted themselves. So if you like any of these pictures, if you like any, you just open it. You see, my first blessing of the day, I woke up. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, you gotta remember that always. So if I want to save it, I will just press on these three dots, and I told you, you can either move it or copy it. Let's copy it. Internal storage, that's where we want to stock it or to put it. Then you can find one, or whether you can add a new folder or create a new folder here, or put it in the existing one, like pics. This one we can add here the picture. You see, one file is copied here, down here, you can see. So we just go back to verify if our picture is there. Yeah, if we open the folder, we will find it. You see, yeah. So hope you like it. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.